Hey there. I'm so glad you're here because if you're looking to dive into the world of crypto, you definitely want to start on the right foot. Today, I'm going to walk you through the absolute easiest, most stress free way to set up your account on Binance. So let's jump straight into the good stuff. First, take a quick look down below. In the description and the pinned comment, there's a special link waiting for you. Go ahead and click that now to open the sign up screen. Seriously, using that link is a total win because it automatically locks in a 50% fee payback and gets you started on $600 in rewards. It's basically free money just for joining, so don't miss out. Now that you are on the page, let's get that account created. You can choose to use your email or your mobile phone. Just pick whichever one you use most often, type that in, and then, super important, just give that terms and conditions box at the bottom a quick check. Hit continue. Now keep an eye on your phone or your inbox because a 6-digit verification code should be popping up any second. Just type that code right in. Once that's set, click continue. Next up is your password. For your own safety, try to make it something unique. It needs to be at least 8 characters long, and you must include at least one number and one uppercase letter to keep things secure. If you see a spot asking for an inviter code, make sure it's filled in so you can grab those bonuses we talked about earlier. Now let's talk about a really important part that sometimes trips people up. You won't be able to deposit funds or start trading until you finish your KYC, which is just a fancy way of saying identity verification. It's a standard safety rule, so let's knock it out together. Since we'll need to do a quick facial scan, it's actually much easier to do this on your smartphone. Go ahead and download the Binance app, open it up, and log in with the account you just created. It should take you right to the verification prompt. Confirm your nationality, make sure that's correct, and then pick your ID. Whether it's your national ID, a driver's license, or a passport, any of those work perfectly. Select Take Pictures and hit Continue. You'll just need to snap a clear photo of the front and the back. Try to avoid any glare so it's easy to read. Then the app will guide you through a quick facial scan. Just center your face in the oval, follow the little prompts, and you're good to go. Finally, just double check your info, such as your full name, birth date, and address, then click Continue. Usually the team reviews it in about 5 minutes, and you'll see a lovely verified badge on your profile when it's all set. Your account is verified, which is great, but let's make sure it's extra safe. We're going to set up two-factor authentication, or 2FA. Think of it as a digital padlock for your money. Go back to your PC, click on your account icon, and select Security. Look for the Authenticator app section and click Manage. Hit Enable, and Binance will send one last code to your phone or email just to be sure it's you. And a QR code will appear on your monitor. Just keep that window open for a moment. Now grab your phone and download the Google Authenticator app. Open it, hit Get Started, and for a little extra privacy, you can select Use without signing in. Hit that Add a Code button and select Scan a QR code. Simply point your camera at your PC screen. And look at that. You've got a 6-digit code for Binance that refreshes every 30 seconds. Go back to your computer, click Next, type in the current 6 digits from your app, and hit Submit. You'll see a confirmation that your Google OTP is active. Now you can breathe easy knowing you're locked down, and that's all there is to it. If this guide helped you feel more confident, please do me a huge favor. Hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Happy trading.